KXLY4 working for you tonight. The flu is officially here in Spokane County. The Regional Health District announcing today that an elderly man contracted the first case locally. And KXLY4's Allie Norton joins us on the sky deck. Allie, what do we know about this strain of flu?
Well, Nadine, it was influenza A and the strain was H3. That is the same one that we saw last year that hit seniors particularly hard. The Spokane County Regional Health District says that last year's flu was responsible for 15 deaths. So they're asking people amid this scare of Ebola to remember that the flu can be just as lethal.
One case of Ebola in the U.S., several cases of enterovirus in Washington, and now the first confirmed case of the flu in Spokane County. So what are you more likely to get? Spokane Regional Health District says likely the flu.
We know it takes a tremendous toll on our community every year, even though some of these other things that we're dealing with are more novel and things we haven't heard of. Really, flu is the bigger risk.
Kim Papich says that last year, 162 people had to be hospitalized during the peak part of flu season. Most of those hospitalizations occurred in December and January, with the first being in November. This year, it came in September, 2 months earlier than the previous.
This first case is early, and so that should speak even more strongly to the case to go get your flu shots now.
It wasn't until today that it could be confirmed the elderly man that had to be hospitalized mid-September was seeing signs of the flu.
Our first case, he tested positive for A.
He's been released from the hospital and is one of the lucky ones. The health district reports that 15 people died last year because of the flu, many of them elderly.
15. We had a bad flu season. We had a hard flu season last year.
If this recent strain continues to hit, it could result in a high number of deaths again, which is why the health district is urging seniors to take precautions.
One thing that seniors can do to protect themselves is they can get a high-dose flu shot, and it offers way more antibodies that'll help them ward off flu easier.
And now, of course, everyone should take precautions, flu shot or not. Always remember to wash your hands and sneeze in the sleeve. Now, there will also be a free childhood vaccination clinic on October 14th. So any children up to 18 can get the flu shot for free. It's happening from 5 to 7 p.m. at Trent Elementary off of Pines Road. You are asked to bring your vaccine records for your kids. Reporting from the Sky Deck tonight, I'm Allie Norton, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Allie. We're learning